Well, the problem begins. We noticed that some of the chicks that we got had poop stuck on their butt. Did a little bit of research, and we found that it's kind of normal. And the actual term for it is pasty butt. Odd fact: a chicken actually poops, pees, and lays eggs, all from the same hole, and it's called a vent. It's basically the chicken's booty hole. If you leave the poop butt too long, it will actually cause the chicken can actually die from it, because it essentially plugs it up to where it becomes non-functional. And it can be caused by quite a few things. It could be an environmental change, diet change, dirty water. Basically anything that you can think of that stresses the chicken out could cause, diarrhea or anything like that.
Come on, kids. Which one is it? You. You. Okay. Let's see.
That's pretty bad.
Are you ready? Actually, I think they like it too. Always end up closing eyes. Taking a bath. This might take a while.
They gotta feel good to them.
Yeah, I think
It's all clogged up, right?
I think so. Or just heavy on your butt. But they close their eyes, so I think they might be liking it. I know. I try to put it easier so they like me, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But you have to soak it well too. Come off.
As long as it's caught, though, it's not too big of a deal. You can actually just give them a bath in warm water. I took some video of it. Naomi was doing the bathing, and it seemed like the chickens actually enjoyed it. They'd sit there and close their eyes and that kind of thing. So she did it with gloves. Just a little bit of effort, and you can get it cleaned up. We used gloves because there is a chance that birds could be carrying salmonella. These are brand new chickens, and we really don't know, so better safe than sorry. There is a little bit of things that you can do to actually prevent it. One of the things that you can do is making sure that they get probiotics. You can add a little bit more grit and changing the brooder temperature. Again, but most of the time it's pretty common when you get store-bought birds because the transportation process causes it. But one thing to also pay attention to is that this could happen at any point in their life, so it's a continuous thing that you have to check. So the next day it seemed like most looked okay after they got cleaned. We'll just keep an eye on it and see how it goes. Any questions, feel free to comment. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Thanks.
Who's next? Are you next?
Oh.
You're next.
Oh.